It's a great view. I watch my footing though.
Right here, right here, and then we have to go on the paved road to go maybe to Little Rock picnic area, and then we can go on the trail to Seminole.
Okay. Hiking. You ready? Ready to do this, huh? You ready to do this? Yeah. Wow. This is awesome, huh, Sing? Sing, you like it, Sing? Wow, this is nice so far. Just starting right now on this trail. Okay, that's a big old rock that Pablo is standing right next to. Sing is being stubborn, so right now I have to hold him. He does not want me to let him go. Right, Sing? Huh? Want me to let you go? Yes or no? Yes or no? You want me to let you go? Guess not. Look. Huh? I don't know.
Go straight here. Let's go around somewhere.
Okay, go around. So we don't know how to get to that trail right now. We're just trying to figure it out. The view is nice though, but it seems like we are lost. So after a long debate, we decided to go down. Oh well, go ahead, go first. She has to climb all the way down here. It is a nice day though. It is hot, but it's still nice. Probably gonna get a sunburn after this. Okay, my turn to go down. Oh, let me show you real quick. Woohoo! Gotta head this way now. Oh, you wanna wait for me? Got it? That was a good long way down from up there. Looks like we're getting closer. We're almost there. Okay, we head this way. Okay, pull these things up. I'm almost to the top, almost to the top. Wow. My wife and my son is way down there. We were over here, there, looking this way. Let's go over here and see what we got. Wow, it's a great view. I watch my footing though. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I guess this is the end of the video. We're gonna head back.